Welcome back to MVP Auto, where design meets motion. Today, we take you into the refined rear view of the Mazda CX-5, a bold statement in automotive elegance. As the camera glides in, you're immediately greeted by the sleek black finish, polished, deep, and reflective like a mirror. This isn't just paint, it's an attitude. The Mazda CX-5 doesn't shout for attention, it earns it with its refined posture and modern symmetry. Moving to the rear, the sharp, slim taillights cut through the body with precision, glowing red like a signature of speed and style. These lights don't just illuminate the road, they make a statement. It's Mazda's Kodo design philosophy at work, soul of motion brought to life with every curve and line. Just look at the rear doors opening effortlessly, welcoming you into a two-tone black and white interior. It's minimalistic, but far from plain. This contrast speaks volumes, sophistication wrapped in simplicity. Whether it's day or night, this car looks like it's ready to be on the cover of a magazine. Every surface on the back has a purpose. The bumper is clean, the exhaust subtly integrated, and the CX-5 badge stands out proudly, a symbol of Mazda's commitment to design precision. The rear windshield blends seamlessly with the roofline, giving the car a coupe-like silhouette while still maintaining the strength of an SUV. And then there's the environment. This glass-walled showroom isn't just a backdrop. It's a stage. Natural light pours in, casting reflections across the floor and the car's surface, adding layers of depth to the visuals. The black Mazda becomes a mirror of its surroundings, elegant and ever-changing. Whether you're seeing it for the first time or the 100th, the Mazda CX-5 rearview always feels like a new discovery. There's something cinematic about the way it holds the frame, calm, composed, and undeniably premium. This isn't just a car. It's an experience. So, if design matters to you, if the small details catch your eye, and if you appreciate motion that feels like art, the Mazda CX-5 is worth every second of your attention. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MVP Auto for more stunning car visuals and design breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive with passion.